Yo, what is going on, guys? Ezilyspeed here, and today we are doing the review of the ECS Tuning 2.0T Resonator Delete for the Audi A4 B8 series. I'm going to show you the exhaust video with the windows down hitting the DSG, and then with the windows up hitting the DSG. It's fairly cheap, $150. It's a lot cheaper than the $1,000 exhaust you see on the internet. I just wanted to do something cheap, add a little bit of sound. My first impressions were when I first got into the car, I did nothing. I just wasted $100, $200 on something that I can't even tell I put on the car. Got on the highway, boy was I wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe.